An adorable 2-year-old little girl named Ashley appears in the scene. She is a lively and active child, full of curiosity for adventure and new things. After falling asleep one night, Ashley enters a mysterious dream world. In this fantastical world, she meets a little fairy named Rainbow, who tells her that the dream world is under attack by dark forces, and she needs help to save it. Rainbow tells Ashley that she needs to find the magical dream crystal to defeat the dark forces and save the dream world. So, Ashley sets off on an adventure with Rainbow, journeying through dangerous forests and mysterious lakes, searching for traces of the dream crystal. During the adventure, Ashley meets some new friends, including a kind little bear named Teddy and a clever squirrel named Nutty. They join Ashley's team and embark on the adventure to find the dream crystal together. Ashley and her companions overcome various difficulties and challenges, finally reaching the hiding place of the dream crystal. However, they must face the guardians of the dark forces to obtain the dream crystal and save the dream world. After an intense battle, Ashley and her companions successfully defeat the guardians of the dark forces and obtain the dream crystal. The dream world is once again filled with light and vitality, and all the residents are grateful. Ashley and her companions feel proud of their teamwork and courage. When Ashley wakes up, she feels a sense of joy and satisfaction, knowing that her efforts in the dream were not in vain. Her adventure taught her many important lessons and gave her an unforgettable, fantastical experience. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Good night and sweet dreams.